So in this video, we'll see how we can add size and color option for user in your product in Shopify. Like when I select green here, you see, able to update image and pricing will also update. So we'll see how we can do all those things. So here, I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. And now we will add color and size to products. Let's add simple product first. Here is some description that you want, and then there is the image. Then here we set price 599 compared to 1,999. This is what we say you can charge tax on this product. This is a basic. If you want to enable track quantity, you can enable it. Otherwise, leave it. So this we know. Like here, we can add product type and product collection. We can add from here. That we know. Now I will publish it. This is my very simple product, as you can see. There is nothing. Now what I want to add size and color in it, like so that user has option to select size and color. Here you can see there is no option. I can directly add to cart, but there is no option for adding size and color. I want to give user to select option what size want, what the color want. For that, what you need to do, scroll down. You can see variation. Click on variation. I will say color. What is your variation name? You can select from color. Then what will the value, like green, dark green, something like that you can add. Done. We have added variation for color. Similarly, we can add for size. Size like small, large, or you can add much more. This we have created. After creating, just save it. Go on preview again. Now we will see option of color and size. Now user can select add to cart. Like what combination they want. Like they want green in large, they can add green in large. And in cart, it will show what variation they have selected so that you can send these product to user. Now, if you want to manage these variation, like how we can manage color and size variation, here you can see they have created specific for it. You can add specific image for green color you want, like for green, I want this. And when someone click on dark green, I want this. And you can also add inside, like for small you want different image, large you can update here. From here you can manage pricing. Now if you want to manage more detail of it, click on it, click on bulk edit. Here you can see all the details related to your variation. You can also add like compared to price, charge, taxes, weight. If you want to set weight or any detail you want, you can enable from here and then it will show. Then you can update. Suppose my price for this plant is different, 699, and it's compared to price is also different. So you can update here. It will charge taxes, no charge taxes. If you want to wait, you can manage everything from here, and that's how you can easily add size and color and then manage it. Very simple. Now here you can see currently its price is 699. When I click dark green, small, here you can see price differ. Click large, green, small. But when I select large, here you can see it's 699. There is nothing by default. Here you can see price changes based on that. So you can manage everything. Image will change, price will change by selecting variation. So that's all for this video. That's how you can manage your size and color for your product. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.